Okay, this is still Chapter 1, Introduction to Chemistry. This is Section 2, Chemistry and Matter. Okay, so you've already done Section 1, what is chemistry? We are on Section 2, Chemistry and Matter. Still the big idea for the chapter. Chemistry is a science that is central to our lives. Okay, the objectives for the second section. Compare and contrast mass and weight. Explain why chemists are interested in a submicroscopic description of matter. Identify the area of emphasis for various branches of chemistry. Some vocab you should already know. Technology, a practical application of scientific information. Some new vocab that you're going to be learning, mass, weight, and model. Main idea for this section, branches of chemistry involve the study of different kinds of matter. Okay, let's watch this.
If you have ever made a perfect jump shot in a basketball game, you might want to give some of the credit to chemists, the men and women who made possible your shoes, and possibly your socks, uniform, backboard, net, and even the finish on the floor. Everything you touch, wear, see, and use is made up of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass or weight. It can be solid, liquid, or gas, living or non-living. Different types of matter have different properties. Some matter is strong and light, making it ideal for the construction of jet aircraft and shuttle rockets. Other types of matter, such as glass, are transparent, while chrome is highly reflective. One of the most interesting and rare types of matter is living matter. Living matter can use other matter to produce the energy necessary to fuel motion, growth, and reproduction. The energy that powers life is released during chemical reactions, such as in photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Other chemical reactions cause powerful and sudden releases of energy, and yet others occur slowly and almost imperceptibly.
Okay, matter and its characteristics. Matter has many different forms. Mass is a measure that reflects the amount of matter something has. You use a balance, usually a triple beam balance, to measure your mass. Weight, on the other hand, is a measure of the mass and the force of gravity on an object. So like when you use your bathroom scale, you're measuring how much you weigh. That is your mass times gravity. Okay, so on the moon you would weigh less because gravity is less, but you have the same amount of mass on the earth as you do on the moon. Okay, weight can change from place to place, but mass is constant. Okay, much of matter and its behavior is macroscopic. Macro meaning larger, you can see with the naked eye. If something is microscopic, you have to have a microscope to see it. The structure, composition, and behavior of all matter can be described on a submicroscopic or subatomic level. And we'll be using those terms more later on. Okay, what is not matter? Okay, these things that are listed here, thoughts, lights, magnetic field, emotions, radio waves, heat, microwaves, sound waves, those things are not considered matter. Okay, chemistry explains events on the atomic level that cause macroscopic observations. So since they're difficult for us to see, we like to use models to help us understand them. A model is a verbal, visual, or mathematical explanation of something. In chemistry, there are many different areas that you can study. Okay, it's not just one area. It is broken down into many different branches. So there's organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, environmental chemistry. These are just some of them. There are many more. Industrial chemistry, polymer chemistry, theoretical chemistry, thermochemistry. And here's a table that talks about the areas of emphasis and examples of what some of the products that they make in each of those. Okay, try some assessments here. Blank is anything that has blank and takes up space. A, B, C, or D? Answer is D, matter and mass. Okay, next one. Chemistry tries to explain blank observations based on blank observations. Answer is C, macroscopic and submicroscopic. Okay, that is it for section 2. If you have any questions, just let me know.